Welcome to the House Doctor and Happy New Year. I have good news for you this year. We could all use some good news. Last year was pretty bad for all of us. We're going to start the new year on the House Doctor channel with a chance for you to win some free products to try out. All right, the people from Super Clean gave me the opportunity to create a video for you that's going to give one of you a chance to win the Super Clean products for you to try out in your own home. In case you missed it, I did a video a few weeks back where I tested out some of these products, and I can tell you they work great. I know what you're thinking. If you've heard of Super Clean before, that's for car detailers. Super Clean does a lot more than that. Recently, dog had surgery and there was some blood on the carpet. I whipped out the Super Clean cleaner, sprayed it on the carpet, it cleaned the blood up, no problem. I can even tell you that it'll take mascara out of a carpet. No, I don't wear mascara, but I can tell you that it will get it out of the carpet. Before I tell you what you have to do to enter for a chance to win these products, let me just show you real quick what you can do with it. I have these dirty, greasy grates from my smoker, and I'm gonna clean them. This isn't a barbecue channel, so I don't need anybody commenting, you shouldn't clean your grates, it's gonna ruin the flavor. This is the dirtiest, greasiest thing I could find, so let me show you what it can do. All right, this stuff works great. Of course, with any kind of cleaning product, it says to test it in an inconspicuous place. And you're not supposed to spray it on anything hot. So you spray it on, give it a few minutes to work, and should clean these grills up real quick. It's been about 30 seconds and you can already see it's starting to lift the grease off, and I haven't even started to wipe them yet. All I did was spray it on. And I'm not even really putting any effort into it, and you can see the grease is coming right off. Two things I really like about Super Clean. One is it doesn't have a horrible smell. And two, it's not a lot of effort. You spray it on, you wait a little bit. Yeah, you might have to scrub a little bit. I mean, these things is just burnt on grease, but it comes right off. There you have it, a few minutes spraying the Super Clean on, wiping it with this disgusting rag, and all that grease and soot came right off. I'll take a few minutes later and clean those other two grates up. So how do you win Super Clean? Well, you're in luck. I have a fairly small channel right now. I think I have about 2,000 subscribers. And even if everybody entered, your chances of winning are about 1 in 2,000. How do you enter to win? Down in the comments below, mention Super Clean. Mention what you're gonna try and clean with it, or if you've used it in the past, mention Super Clean and what you've used it for. On January 30th, I'll take all the comments below that mention Super Clean, put them in a hat, have my daughter pick one out randomly, and that person will win. In order to be a winner, you have to have a US mailing address. We can't mail it to Canada or somewhere else in the world. It has to be someplace in the United States. As always, thanks for watching The House Doctor. Don't forget to put your comments down below mentioning Super Clean for your chance to win some awesome Super Clean products. Full disclosure, I'm not paid by Super Clean. They just sent me these products for free for me to try out, and this super cool purple shirt and this awesome camo hat, which you probably couldn't even see because it's camo. Thanks again.